How this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have Samsung clear magnetic case for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I have here S25 Ultra. Let's see, lovely looking original case, this one. If you want, you can buy with Samsung original product, high quality. Lovely packaging, you can see here, more information, how to apply, how to put other things. So clear magnetic case, lovely in this case. So let me take this off from the bottom, this case. Wow. You can see here magnetic case. I have Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You can see I use simple case, and this is more something as iPhone case. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max, so magnetic case of Apple. You can see side by side how they look. So let me take this off from here, and here you have magnet. This is acrylic, not silicone or something else. It's more soft version as silicone. This one acrylic, more tight or something as this. For the phone, see the cuttings here, bottom is empty for place of S phone at the top. So I will take out my phone here to show you guys how it looks. Here Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Put this one here, let's see. Okay, let's see, let me put here always the button of the volume. It should go this way, so they will not bother at the middle. And put this way, lovely. For charging, you have here some brackets for the camera protection and all that. Here you can see at the bottom is free. Lovely. Let's see here side by side with iPhone. Quite beautiful. They have similar color with different name. Lovely case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.